Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Mitsubishi Mirage key fob. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, preferably one with a thin tip, to carefully separate the casing. Also, make sure you have a fresh CR1616 battery ready for replacement. To prevent any scratches or damage, it's a good idea to place the key fob on a soft cloth or towel before you begin the process. Now, let's get to opening the key fob. Look closely at the side of your key fob for a small notch or indentation. This is where you'll begin. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle but firm motion, twist the screwdriver slightly. This action will cause the two halves of the key fob casing to begin separating. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery inside. Before you remove it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is important for correct reinstallation. Carefully pry out the old CR1616 battery. Now, take your new CR1616 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of your key fob. Gently press them together until you hear a distinct click, ensuring the casing is securely sealed. Test your key fob to confirm it's working correctly with your vehicle. If you're looking for other great deals, including some incredibly comfortable and durable socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check the link in the description below. We've got some fantastic recommendations waiting for you there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.